Yeah, job of the day. I couldn't do the tilt bed because it's got a broken frame. So I'm gonna do this landscape. It's all new wiring on the front. I'm just gonna rip all this stuff out, do all new wiring down the trailer, put a terminal box, put a new breakaway system. He did want me to do a bearing replacement. So I'm gonna do bearings, check his brakes. I got new lights for the rear. Let's get to it. All right, first order of business is the tear down. I need to wire up his GPS unit again. That's the GPS unit. That's going up and in. Don't really want to cut the wires in the GPS unit. First section done. That's the ground for the GPS. We'll snip that and that. Start chopping. Let's pull all wiring through. Driver's side done. I don't know where that wire's running to. Brake wiring? Yeah, I guess that's what they had for brake wiring. Got that cut. Pull the passenger side wiring out. And passenger side wiring is coming out eventually. Passenger side wiring is out. Alright, I'm gonna weld a piece of plate here for the terminal box. Just getting the length that I need for this. It's gonna be right there. Marked it. Start getting this prepped for wire. Weld that plate on there for the terminal box. I got the terminal box all wired up. I need to run the wiring down both sides of the trailer and then run new brake wire to the brakes. Plate welded on, holes are drilled, paint this black. Alright, getting fasteners to mount down the terminal box. This kit from Bolts and Nuts is prime. I need to order some more 1/4 inch small ones, but it's always nice to have nuts and bolts ready to go. I'm going to use nylock that are in that, but it's just nice having bolts on stock. Alright, let's get this installed. Alright, I got wires in, and then I just need to start running the trailer wires to it. Alright, jumping way ahead. I got the terminal box on, everything's roughed in and wired. I'm gonna put new markers on the outside here, and then I gotta put new lights on the rear. I got everything tight all the way to the back. I got new brake line run. The brakes got smashed, so I'm gonna put new lights on and then start testing stuff, and then I need to do bearings and check brakes on. Driver's side rear light is on. Let's move to the passenger side, and passenger light is on. Alright, marker lights for the front are wired in. I just need to shrink wrap all that. I look like my rough end is working. I just don't have brakes on right now because they're not wired in, and there's no reverse lights, but charged working on the breakaway. Let's do tail markers. Yes, I got good markers on the front passenger, good marker on the front driver, good marker on driver's side rear. Left turn is on and working, and let's go right turn. Right turn is on and working. Absolutely beautiful. Start tearing down these axles, do a service. I'm gonna finish putting that box on top and make it look clean. And all wires are in the terminal box. Terminal box cover is on. New breakaway kit is on as well. And going up, work on the driver's side. Rear driver coming off. Shackle lengths look good, rocker looks good. The front off. Front is off. Alright, brakes are off, everything looks good. Let's do bearings, pack the hubs again. All hubs are hand packed on this one because it didn't have easy lube on both axles, so I just hand packed these ones. Rear hub and drum is on, washer is on, and spin on that going on. Retainer is on. Front idler hub is on, cotter key is installed. Let's get these axles wired up. Well, it looks like whoever installed this axle put it on upside down and backwards. I'll let him know that, but for right now I'm trying to get the brakes working. I got brakes wired in now. It is not blinking on the tester, so it means it's making connection with the magnets. Let's see. Free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up. Brakes are off, free spinning. Perfect, and brakes sound adjusted pretty well. Alright, let's get the tires and wheels on. Let's do this side. And shrink wrap time. And shrink wrap in bottom. Let's put tires and wheels back on and do the passenger side. Rear tire on. Drop her down. Passenger side coming off. Passenger side tires off. And brakes look great. Perfect. Brake wiring got smashed, so getting new wire and new butt connectors. Or just new butt connectors. There's the smashed portion. And tight. Butt connectors shrunk wrap. Brakes are in good condition. Spindle is clean. I put the front idler hub on. Cotter key is on. Let's get this rear hub and drum on. Washer, spindle nut. Retainer on. Dust cap. Free spinning. Brakes are on. Locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Perfect. Alright, everything's wired. Getting tires and wheels on now. Drop it down. Alright, all wires are run and all butt connectors are shrunk wrap. Let's do one last check and clean up. Alright, check marker lights. Marker lights passenger side front are good. Marker lights on passenger side rear are good. Right turn is on and working. Marker lights are back on. Driver side front is good. Driver side rear is good. Let's check left turn. Left turn is on and working. And I know the brakes work. All wiring's done. Do the rundown on this. Do the rundown on this. New bearings and seals, new grease. Brakes are checked. Everything's good. Did not need to be adjusted. All lights have been changed out. All new wire. All new breakaway kit. All new terminal box. And all new 7-way. There's everything mounted up. But this job's done and I'm on to the next.